In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to get started with KonstructIQ. KonstructIQ is a platform that helps you power the financial management of your construction projects. You can streamline your payments, provide greater transparency to your clients and subs, and ultimately drive better financial performance. So let's get started. So I'm logged in here as a general contractor, and this is my home screen as I log in. Here I can get a quick glance of all my active projects. But let's say I want to create a new project. I would go to the All Project tab and click the Create button. Now we'll give our project a name and put in the location of the project. Next, we're going to add some project settings. We'll specify the client's name as well as the subs we want to associate with the project. Let's go ahead and click on the Edit Project setting. I can create a new client, or I can pick from the list of existing clients. Let's pick Indiana Jones. You can also put in additional information such as the permit number, the lot size, lot info, and other details. In the next step, you can choose which subs and vendors you plan to have work on this project. I've got a list of subs here in my account, and it's easy to get a sub added to a project. All you gotta do is select the sub from the list, and an invite is sent to that sub, notifying them that they've been added to a KonstructIQ project. One of the advantages of a sub being added to a project is that you can pay them faster, but they can also invoice you on the project, making it much easier for you to manage bill creation. Now that we've added a few different subs on this project, let's adjust some project settings. That can include the level of detail you want to provide to your client in terms of showing allowance per item, as well as how you plan to calculate profitability per project, whether it's markup-based or margin-based. You can always edit and override these values at the line item level in case you want to define an additional value. Let's hit Save. Next, let's go ahead and create an estimate for this project. KonstructIQ provides you with a set of predefined templates that you can use to get started more easily with building an estimate. You can also save a template of your own, which you can reuse for future projects. So in this case, I'm going to select the kitchen remodel template and hit Next. You'll notice that it creates a set of categories and budget items that I think would be best suited for this type of project. You can always add new categories, as well as add one or more budget items. So for now, I'm going to go ahead and specify my cost per line item. I can also provide allowances, if I wanted to, for individual budget items. So in this case, I'm going to add in an allowance for my countertops, as well as my appliances. You can also add any additional fees that you want to add to this project, as well as any notes. Now, once you're done building the estimate, you can click the Review button to finalize and review it, or make any changes before you send this off to your client. Before you hit Send, you also have a chance to preview this template to see what the client will see. You can choose how much detail you want to share with your client, so you can show or hide line item prices. You can even show or hide line items if you wanted to just give them a high-level summary of this estimate. In this case, let's hit Send. There's an email that'll be drafted that you can customize as needed. So that's how easy it is to get started with the project with KonstructIQ. Next, we'll talk about how you can manage your bills and invoices and view your budget as the project progresses.